This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As we see the market recording fresh all-time highs for the Dow and the Dow Transports, we can see here the Dow Transports trading at effectively a fresh all-time intraday high. Take a look at the Dow for today, staging a fresh intraday high. The first move today above 30,000. How long this is going to last, who knows, but as long as the market is in this generous giving mood, it is the season of plenty. It's the harvest season. We can see another IPO. This one IPO'd sometime in late September. And we can see this has been a fantastic run. Now trading above 50. If we take a look at the initial breakout for paid subscribers, the buy point was at 20.95. And so go back to that daily chart. As an IPO, the daily chart was the most mature. So we take a look at the timing. The timing here was perfect. Perfection. This is the breakout we managed to capture. And if you are keeping score, that was a breakout. October 20th, right there at 20. Right now, the stock is above 50. All this essentially within a month. Are you patient enough to wait for a month for a double? I hope the answer there was yes. Take a look here. Again, always try and make sure that we account for the breakout minimum requirements so that they can be reinforced in our minds that this is actually the signal that something is changing in the instrument. We can see here the MACD was not fully developed, but let's take a look here. Here the MACD did print. So actually I'm pretty confident if we take a look at the 4-hourly, and the reason why it's the 4-hourly, the next time frame, which was more mature. We can see now on the 4-hourly the same minimum requirements. Let's test those minimum requirements. That's the breakout. Like I said, the RSI on the 4-hourly jumped above 69.1. Of course, I could see that at the time. And take a look at the MACD on the 4-hourly. And because it's an IPO, you can use the small time frames. I should point out that if you take a look at the other time frames, the other entry levels, so this was the initial breakout that we captured. There's a breakout here, a breakout here, and a breakout here. Now, some of these breakouts do lead to retests, breakout, retest. If you study this, you'll see that every retest did not close above the breakout level. Every retest here closed above the buy point, which is the previous daily closing high. So if I highlight the breakout levels there, there's one there, another here, and another here. And we can even say that this was a retest that was successful. In other words, a good retest should look like this. You have your breakout level on a daily closing basis. You can drop below it, but the close should be above it. So yes, you break out, test it, and then you continue on your fantastic move. This is exactly what has happened for this instrument. And I should point out, if it's not obvious, take a look at this RSI movement on the daily, which explains this expansion in price. This acceleration comes because of this magic sweet spot, which I am constantly reminding you of. It is the power of RSI above 69.1. And so it is. Love, light, light, love. Namaste.